Silence doesn't keep you safe, it gives more power to those who manipulate. When someone dictates your emotions, they shape who you become. The moment you find your voice, their control begins to fade. First, identify the manipulation. Manipulators don't silence you directly, they lead you to do it yourself. If someone causes you to question your own reality, that's a red flag. Their actions aren't accidental, they're intentional. When your words are twisted, stand by your truth instead of prioritizing their comfort. Second, create emotional boundaries. Boundaries aren't barriers, they're an expression of self-respect. Learn to say no without guilt. Manipulators are unsettled by clarity. Protecting your peace is reason enough to step back. Silence can be powerful, but not when it shields harmful behavior. Third, refuse misplaced guilt. Guilt is often used as a tool of control, don't carry it. You are not responsible for others' emotions when they disregard yours. Their unhappiness is not your failure. Real care doesn't involve punishing you for choosing yourself. Fourth, speak openly and honestly. Your voice holds power, use it with confidence. Express what you truly feel. Manipulators rely on your silence, speaking up disrupts their influence. Fifth, leave without over-explaining. Not everyone has earned a place in your life. Walking away isn't weakness, it's discernment. You don't owe explanations to those who hurt you. Sometimes distance is what allows healing, and letting go can be the strongest statement you make. Ultimately, whoever governs your emotions influences your life. Reclaim that control. Let your silence serve your well-being, not someone else's manipulation. You deserve sincerity, respect, and emotional security.